Welcome to the singles feeding drill that we're going to call mega depths, because we're going to focus on hitting deeper than you've probably ever tried to target before. And that's the whole point. We're going to incentivize Kirby and Ira to hit as deep as possible. In fact, hitting long is not going to detract from their score. So here's how it's going to work. I've set up, this is just for them to see. We have a pickleball line here, which is about James, can you zoom in on this line, please? So, pretty sure it's 4.5 feet from the baseline. This is their target area, is beyond the pickleball line up to the baseline. There's no penalty for them missing deep. As a team, Ira and Kirby are going to come in, hit 3 shots each at a time. I'll feed them out to the corner. They'll hit, go back to the middle. Their target is anywhere between this line and the baseline. If they hit short of the line, -1 from their collective score. If they hit past the baseline, there's no penalty. So their goal is to get up to 7 shots as a team, or Ira actually requested a basement to this, or until they get to -7. So they're obviously two, very high quality players. They know there's no penalty for missing deep. I'm actually curious to see how well they do. This is admittedly, this is extremely difficult. And this is kind of part of the point of this drill, is 4.5 feet sounds like a lot of space, but the reality is it's a sliver in terms of depth that you could possibly hit your shot. So maintaining this depth is very difficult. We'll see how well Ira and Kirby do. If they go down to -7, then I would simply adjust the depth of the target for their next time in. All right, ready, Kirby? 3 backhands. So that's -1. Nice shot. That's back to even. And a little bit short. -1. Here you go, Ira. 3 forehands. Nice. A little bit deep. Nice. Back to even. Nice shot. That's +1. Here you go, Kirby. Forehands. Back to even. About a foot short. -1. A little bit short. There's no penalty for missing deep. Still -1. Backhands for Ira. Still -1. -2. Good ball. Here you go, Kirby. So Ira and Kirby are focusing on the height of their shots, the shape of their shots. They should be clearing the net by a good amount on these balls. Nice, Kirby. Just deep. Sorry about that. Nice shot. Nice shot. That's back to even. You go, Ira. Forehands. No penalty for deep. No penalty for deep. Nice shot. That's +1. Forehands for Kirby. Nice, Kirby. +2. +3, just deep. Still +2. Nice, +3. Backhands for Ira. Sorry, Ira. Nice shot. We'll give it to you. +4. Just deep. No penalty. Just short. +3. I will give them 2 more turns each. Last 2 turns each. No penalty. No penalty. No penalty. Still +2. Just short. +1. Just back to even. Okay, Kirby, last turn. Nice. +1. Just deep. No penalty. +2. You go, Ira, last 3. Got it. No penalty. Nice, nice. All right, so they finished up at positive. As you can see, this is a tiny target. We're incentivizing them to experiment and go ahead and hit it high, hit it deep, drive it strongly. It's only the short ones that penalize them here. So you probably want to adjust the size of the target depending on the level of your player, the level of the person that you're working with. This is a great drill to work on creating big depth consistently without randomly rolling the ball short in different depths on the courts. Experiment with it, have fun with it, and enjoy your mega depths.